here. Look, look.
Okay.
Come here. Come here. You want the ball? You want the ball? You want the ball? You want the ball? Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Good girl. Hey, come here.
She dropped it.
Oh,
now she's gonna pee.
Uh-oh. Is she pooping? No, she's peeing. Okay, we won't wrestle on that spot. All right, let's go. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Come here. Bring me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Here, hey. Hey. Go get the ball. 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 Right there. Go get the ball. Ah, you're wallowing in your own pee. You got the ball? That's as far as I'm going. Let's go back in. Come on. Let's go in the house. I'm already getting all wet. Come on. Get the ball. Let's go in the house. That was fun. Get the ball back here. Here, get a shot of this. Come over here.
Oh my.
Here, I'll knock it down. Here, let me get the shovel.
But she's pooping now.
Yeah, well, she needs to do that.
She does.
Okay. Should I see if I can put the ball right here and get her to go there and then knock it down on top of her? That might hurt. I'm not gonna.
I was gonna say that would not be good.
Oh. We're trying to seal out the devil. Oh, that was a big one. Come on, let's go. Get back in here. Come on. Now you got it right in your pee, you dummy.
Get your ball.
Told you she was going to need her strength.
She lost it.
I mean, you're going to make me come out there and dig around in your pea snow? That was an expensive ball.
She can't find it. Oh, there it is.
She don't see it. All right, come here. Now, quit flinging it around. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Bring the ball. Come here. Come on. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Well, I don't think that's going to be interesting. I don't think I've ever had dog poop go through the snowblower before. The lawnmower, millions of times, but not the snowblower.
CeeCee.
Come on. I gotta come out there. Come on. Why do you keep dragging your toys towards your poop? Come on.
CeeCee, come on. She'd spend all day out here.
Yep.
Grab your ball. Let's go.
Yeah, fuck it. Well, might as well fire this thing up. At least hear it run. Get it away from the house a little bit. I don't know.